Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook Business Manager account. This is essential if you want to grant specific people administrative access to manage your business page effectively. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to go to facebook.com and log in to your Facebook business account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu, typically under your shortcuts section. Click on your Facebook business page to proceed. This will take you directly to the page you want to manage. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, locate the settings option on the left navigation menu and click on it. This is where you'll access all the important controls and configurations for your business page. The settings area is your central hub for managing everything from privacy to permissions. You'll now be directed to your Facebook business settings and privacy page. From here, look for the page setup option on the left navigation menu and click on it. Under the page setup section, you'll find an option called page access. It's important to note here that you don't actually create a business manager account from scratch. Instead, you simply assign an existing account to be your business manager. This is a key distinction that many people overlook. Click on page access to proceed with granting administrative rights. Now look for the Add New button under the People with Facebook Access section. This is where you'll set up an admin account to access and manage your Facebook business page. Once you click on Add New, a small window will open, giving you a guideline about this action. Take a moment to read through these guidelines carefully as they explain what permissions you're about to grant. When you're ready, click Next. You'll now be prompted to enter the name or email of the person you wish to add as an admin for your Facebook business. Start typing their information and their profile should appear in the dropdown. Click on their profile to select them. To set them as an admin with full control, click the Give Full Access toggle button. This ensures they can manage all aspects of your business page. Once you've toggled this on, click Give Access to finalize the process. An invite will now be sent to the person you've just added. All you have to do at this point is wait for them to accept the invitation. Once they accept, they'll be added as a new admin and will have full access to manage your business page. This streamlines collaboration and ensures your business page is managed efficiently by the right people. And that's it. You've successfully set up admin access for your Facebook business page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.